Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to cornrow your own natural hair. Let's get to today's video. So today I'm going to be working with my natural hair, and it's a heatless natural hair. I'm just going to start by combing my hair and detangling it as shown in the video. I'm also going to go in with my brush and brush it well to collect it together as shown in the video. You also have to make sure that your hair is moisturized. So for me, I used DIY onion oil that I made in my previous video. You can just go and check that video out. Moving on, we're just going to be partitioning our hair. I'm going to be dividing my hair in the middle into two equal halves, from the front of my head to the back of my hair as shown in the video. So just to make sure that it's neat, I'm going to go in with my sharp toothpick. You can use a sharp comb, to go in and make sure that the part that you divided in half is neat. Then moving on, I'm just going to braid that other half and secure it as shown in the video. I'm now just going to partition or divide our first cornrow. For me, I'm going to do 6 equal cornrows on my natural hair, since I have thin and short natural hair. So the number of cornrows that you're going to do on your hair is your decision. I'm going to go in with my brush again and brush away the hair that you're not going to be working with, and then I'm going to brush the hair that I parted as shown in the video to make it neater. You're also going to need a clip to secure the hair that you're not going to be working with. I'm sorry about that. So moving on, you're going to need 3 fingers to do your cornrows: your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. So we're going to just divide pinch a little portion of the first cornrow or the hair that you're going to be working with, and then divide it into 3 parts. It's more like box braiding or something like that, or twisting, but you're going to be working with 3 pieces of hair. I'm sorry you guys, I'm not really good at explaining these things, and this is the hardest to explain. So you're going to just bring the left piece of hair to the middle, and then the right piece of hair to the middle, and as you're doing this, you're going to be collecting the hair that's at the back. You're going to bring the left piece of hair to the middle, and then to the middle hair you're going to add the hair that's at the back. Then again you're going to bring the right piece of hair to the middle again. So it's all about crossing your hair. The left piece of hair, you're going to bring it to the middle. The right piece of hair, you're going to bring it to the middle. And the middle hair, you're going to add the hair at the back. So it's better to watch me so you can see how I'm doing it. I'll be right back.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive,
I finished our first cornrow and that's how it looks. I'm going to leave you to watch me do the second cornrow, so you can see what I've been explaining. It's all about practice, making mistakes and fixing the mistakes. Practice, practice, practice. I'll be right back.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the.
So I'm back. All I'm doing is, for me, I'm going to be picking the third piece of hair from the back. I pinched out some hair and they divided it to 2 equal parts, and then the third piece of hair I picked from the back, brought the left piece of hair to the middle, the right piece of hair to the middle, and added the hair at the back to the middle hair. I hope you can understand that, and I hope you've seen that. And like I've said, this is all about practice and making mistakes. I'm going to do another piece so you can see again what I've been doing in the video. I'll be right back.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we.
So as you can see, that's how our cornrows look. They look neat. So again, I said the cornrows depend on the size that you want and the number that you want. I'm going to be working with the third piece of cornrow, and I'm sorry about my camera angle. I'll leave you to watch me for a little while so you can see again how I'm doing this step by step.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold.
So I just repeated the process with the other side of my head. I do have a challenge cornrowing the left side of my head, but I'm going to do it. I know how I always do it. So I hope you picked a few things from what I've explained, and like I've said, it's all about practicing, making mistakes, fixing the mistakes, practice. So I'll be able to watch me do the last piece of my cornrow as shown in the video.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe.
So this is how our cornrows turned out. It was more like a style. So moving on, I'm going to be doing a bun tutorial, and since my hair is short, we are going to be doing a hack on short hair. So I'm going to join the ends of my cornrows as shown in the video. I'm just going to braid the cornrows together, and then I'm going to add a piece of braiding hair to it. I'm going to braid it as I'm doing right now, since I have thin short hair, and then I'm going to roll it to form a tiny bun as shown in the video. So I hope you can see it right there. And again, I'm going to add a crunchy to it so that it is able to hold our bun that we are going to be doing just a few minutes from now. So I hope you can see that right there. And then I'm going to form a ponytail with my rubber band on my braiding hair right there. I'm going to leave the rubber band on my braiding hair as shown in the video. I hope you've seen that. And then I'm going to just add the rubber band to our crunchy. So if you have thick hair, this is going to be really easy for you. And then I'm going to twist the rubber band, and then I'm going to, like I'm doing right now, I'm going to just roll it around or add it around, wrap it really well to our crunchy. So this is what I'm talking about right now. I'm going to be twisting the braiding hair as shown in the video, and then I'm going to just be rolling it around our crunchy to form a beautiful bun as shown in the video. So I hope you've seen that it's a hair hack on short natural hair, and as you can see, our bun is looking really good. So this hair is so perfect for short natural hair. I know it was really hard to explain the part of doing your cornrows, and I hope you've picked a few things or you've learned a few things from what I've explained. I'm now going to go ahead and lay my edges, and for this the gel I had at home was just black gel, so that's what I'm going to be using. And this is the best part of doing hair tutorials for me, laying my edges. I love laying my edges. So after laying my edges as shown in the video, this is the final look. It looks really pretty. I loved doing this hairstyle and this hair hack on short natural hair. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.